So I was sitting down right here waiting for my dad and my stepmother to come pick me up because I'm leaving to go to work. And after I'm going to go to Plattsburgh. And look what I hear. There's a woodpecker up there. I'm trying to find it. It's right here. Where's it? What the heck? Somewhere it's up there. Right. Yeah, I think the leaves are. It's right here. Wait a minute. Son of a... There it is, right there. Look at that thing. It's just been like pecking at the tree, and I just came out and I heard it. I thought the tree, something was wrong with the tree. I thought it was a branch or something, but look at this. This thing's going crazy. This thing must like this tree or something, because oh, it's pooped down there. But anyway, this thing, weird. Must be finding some worms or something. This thing looks like Gabriel. Kind of. Still pecking at the tree. That's weird. I've seen these before, but never seen these in this tree until now. And anyway, this is pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it alone. But I'm just like sitting here, I'm hearing knocking on the tree. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Thought one of the branches were gonna come down. And nope, it's a woodpecker.